Stop wasting time with complicated setups. Today, I'm showing you the fastest and most efficient way to get Docker Desktop running on Windows in 2026. Whether you're a developer or just a tech enthusiast, this is the ultimate guide to building a rock-solid local lab. In this video, I'll show you both ways to do it: the lightning-fast WSL2 method and the manual Hyper-V route. Let's get into it. First, we need to pick your engine. Docker runs on either WSL2 or Hyper-V. WSL2 is the turbo mode. It's lightweight, it's fast, and it gives you a real Linux heart inside Windows. Hyper-V is the classic method. It's solid, but it's a bit heavier on your RAM. For the best performance, I always recommend WSL2. But, like I said, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up both. Here is the easiest way to start. Open your terminal as administrator and type WSL install. That's it. One command and Windows handles the rest. This is the set it and forget it method that I use for all my projects. Now for the second method, which is the manual setup. Search your Start menu for Turn Windows features on or off. Scroll down and check the boxes for both Hyper-V and containers. Then hit OK. Just a heads up, Windows will need to apply these changes, so you'll need to restart your PC for this to kick in. With the backend ready, let's grab Docker. The best way is through the Microsoft Store. Just search for Docker Desktop and hit Install. It's clean, it's official, and it keeps itself updated so you don't have to worry about it. Let's see it in action. Open Docker, go to Images, and pull bitnami NGINX. Click Run, give it a name, and set your host port to 8080 in seconds. You've gone from a fresh install to a running web server. Go to http://localhost:8080 in your browser. If you see that welcome page, your lab is live. You've now got the perfect Docker setup to start testing any app you want. If you found this useful, drop a like and subscribe to dailytech_edu. See you in the next one.